If you think the only place you can buy a classic car is at an auction, you would be mistaken. Today, Mike Phillips visits Stuart, Florida classic auto dealer Craig Danzig to see his collection and is taken for a whirlwind tour behind the scenes and into the garages of his classic car world. Auto Geeks, What's in the Garage is coming up right now. It's time for a journey around America in search of the hidden gems, rare finds, and unbelievable collections in the garages of the country's auto enthusiasts. Each week, Mike Phillips will lead us through the amazing, fascinating, and entertaining backstories that make up What's in the Garage, presented by AutoGeek.net. This week, Mike Phillips is in Stuart, Florida for a visit with classic auto dealer Craig Danzig to see what's in his garage.
Wow, this guy really is a car guy. Check, he's got a BMW, he's got a Maserati, he's got a Mustang, Mercedes-Benz. I wonder what's in the garage. Welcome to Auto Geeks, What's in the Garage. I'm your host, Mike Phillips. We're here to check out what's in the garage. I've heard there's a really nice Corvette in here. Hey, are you Craig Danzig?
Yes, Craig Danzig, how you doing?
Hey, I hear you got a barn find Corvette in here.
Oh, it's an awesome car. Thanks for showing up and taking a look at it. I appreciate it.
Well, let's take a look at what's in the garage.
Sure, come on in. This is my 66. I picked this car up in Charlotte, New York.
Wow, this thing's immaculate.
It's unbelievable, isn't it, car?
Oh man, I love Corvettes.
Yeah.
Now, what year is this?
66 Corvette. It's a 327, 365 horsepower car.
Now, that's really rare, correct?
Yeah, matching.
That engine?
Very rare engine, yeah, matching number car. It has basically been restored from the bottom up. It's an old barn find car. And
You actually found this in a barn?
Yeah, we found this in Charlotte, New York, right outside Rochester, New York. A gentleman, farmer, had it in his garage, actually his barn, and it was covered with hay and completely, just basically molded down. We found it. We basically were out in his barn screwing around with it, and it was under hay, so we started screwing around with the pitchfork, and we had a few beers. He said, "Look, I'm going to find it sooner or later." And basically, he got up on top of the car, and he put a pitchfork right through the hood of this car.
Incredible.
And that's how we found this car. It was kind of in really rough condition. We took it from the frame off. It was a car I always loved. It was a classic car. When I was a kid, my pharmacist had a car like this, and I always admired it. So I got this car and went from top to bottom. In 1990, I found this car, so it was great.
Wow, you did a great job. It's kind of, the story of finding it in the barn is kind of like the old needle in the haystack, you know?
Oh,
taking the pitchfork, shoving it through the hood to find the car.
It was a true barn find car, and it's a black on black car.
Yeah, very rare, right?
Pretty rare car
Yeah.
to begin with. So the 365 part is really rare.
Now, you told me about this, but I look over here and I see you got a 69 GTX, and it looks like a 56 Chevy over here. These look sweet, too.
Yeah, that's a Big Daddy car. It was his dragster right
Big
there.
Daddy Don Garlitz.
Yeah, it's his car.
Wow.
And this car won the first prize show in the Daytona 500 overall car.
Incredible.
And
yeah,
this-
it's
and
sweet.
And the heavy Chevy over there, I got the heavy Chevy show. It's a 56, and I bought that car about 3 years ago, and I just take that to church once in a while.
Oh, that's a great story, too. Well, you have a nice car collection.
Hold on a second. Excuse me a second. Craig Danzig, can I help you? Yes. Hi, Mario. How you doing? Yes. Geez, I'd love to look at this car. It's an awesome opportunity. When can I actually look at it, and when can we get there? How about right now? Can we go over there now? I've got some friends with me. You mind if I bring a friend with me? Mike, would you like to go?
Oh, you bet.
Okay, we'll be there in about a half hour, Mario. We're looking forward to seeing you. All right, thank you very much.
Hey, we're going to take a break, and we're going to come right back, and you're going to see what we're going to find in another barn.
Auto Geeks, What's in the Garage is being brought to you by Rag Top, exclusively formulated for fabric and vinyl convertible tops, available at AutoGeek.net, and by ARP, the world leader in fastener technology, and by Wolfgang, for long-lasting protection and a crystal shine, available at AutoGeek.net.